Imagine creating dozens of AI videos in a minute with just one click. If you want to generate AI videos quickly for YouTube Reel or Shorts, this video is for you. I'll show you how to create AI videos in bulk for free, and the one click process works. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
First of all, you are new to my YouTube channel, then please visit my YouTube channel homepage and watch this video. In this video, I talked about how to get Grok AI free for 7 days. So, in a first, you, you need to create Grok AI Super. Here you can see Super Grok account free, and it provide you 7 days free trial. So, first of all, watch this video and create Grok AI Super account, and it will give you 7 days free trial. And here you can see I written one script for write 1 minute short video script on psychology niche. These are the script. So I hope you already created a video script for yourself. Then give me 10 prompt for generate videos on above topic. Now these are my video generation topic. So you need to simply prompt 1, then this is the prompt 2, then copy prompt 3, just you need to copy all the prompt in a doc file or txt, or simply paste anywhere in a notepad. This is the sixth prompt of video generation. And this is the seventh. This is almost a lengthy process, but I'll show you how to do this in a simple way also. So please watch full video. So let's copy this last prompt. Here you can see this is the last prompt of video generation. Now simply go to grok.com and logged in your account. Now you need to install this extension. I will give this extension link in this video description also. Grok automation. Simply add it in your Chrome profile and pin from here. Here you can see, then click on this extension. Here you can see text to video. Scroll down and just paste here your video prompt. So these are my 10 video generation prompt for my script. Here you can see first long prompt, it can be span multiple line. Second prompt start after a blank line. That's why I leave here one blank line. Simply paste here. Here you can see. Now select your duration per prompt. So you need 10 seconds. Click on this 10, 10. Uh, Select here how much length videos do you want to create. Now scroll down, click on this run button. You don't need to more click. Here you can see it will automatically generate all 10 videos. You don't need to click anything. And after the generation it will auto download also. So wait for generation. Here you can see our one video is created. Now it's just upscaling the video. Here you can see group 1/10 prompt. One video is already created and another second is in a queue. I will do this video in a fast forward. Here you can see after 5 minutes every video is created. And here you can also see 10 by 10 prompt and all video all automatically downloaded. So go to my PC, then download. Here you can see all video downloaded. So let's check the quality. Here you can see, as you can see, you already know that the video is on psychology niche. And even you can also make better prompt by yourself. I just copy and paste this all the prompt in grok AI. So you need to also check manually all the prompt is correct or not. The another way is simply copy the your script. Here you can see script, copy, then visit this. I'll give this link in this video description also. Just visit this Google AI Studio. Here you can see from script to prompt how many number of scene you required. If you want to create 20 scene, type here 20 and scroll down. After paste your script, click on this generate prompt. It will automatic generate different prompt according to your script. So the tool is generating prompt for our story. Scroll down. Here you can see these are the generated prompt 29. Simply download this prompt and you can also create videos from this prompt. Simply in a first click enter. Again these are the two prompt. Again click on enter. Make sure you need to type one line space between two prompt and copy all the prompt. Copy all the prompt after fill one line space. Visit grokAI.com and simply click on this extension. Type here your all prompt. You can also upload prompt here. You can see upload feature. You can also upload your prompt file. Then simply select how much duration videos you want and click on this run button. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube, and few things I can discuss here, so you need to join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the video description. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.